Hey guys, how's everyone doing? Hope you're all having a good morning. So some new news just dropped about Honda and what they're going to do going forward. I think this is a pretty big move for them. I don't know if it's a good or bad thing. I just want to bring it to your guys' attention. But with the news that the TLX was discontinued, it does seem like they're changing what they're going to be building going forward, if we like it or not. So let me go ahead and share exactly what just came out and see what you guys' thoughts are on this. Is it a good thing, or does it seem like it's going to be a bad thing for Honda? So Honda's going in a different direction, just the way they're kind of simplifying their lineup. Like the TLX just got discontinued, and they're going to more economical vehicles, as it seems, hybrids, and then the full electric as well. They have the Prologue and then the ZDX. Well, just came out that Honda is partnering with Sony, which I didn't even know that they were. But they're actually going to partner together to build a new electric vehicle. And this vehicle, they're going to call it the Fila 1. Here's what it looks like here. So to me, a very generic looking electric vehicle. What we know so far about it is it's actually going to go on sale later this year that you can buy, and it'll be delivered summer of 2026, so about a year from now. The good thing about it is it'll be compatible with Tesla's supercharger, so that'll help you be able to charge it on the go. The negative part, they're saying that the vehicle price will be around $89,900, so really expensive, especially for a first vehicle from these two companies. They're saying it's going to have a ton of AI features from Sony, but again, it's going to start around $90,000. So not sure how that will go over. That's pretty expensive, and I know you can get Teslas in that price range already. And this is the very first car made by Sony and Honda's partnership. So that's always a little sketchy too when they first, start working together. How will it be? How will it hold up? It sounds like pretty average as far as the range goes. 300 miles per charge is pretty comparable to a lot of electric vehicles out there right now. But it is going to have Honda roots. So it sounds like to me Sony is going to use a lot of their technology into it, and then you're going to have the build from Honda. So it's going to be that partnership to bring you hopefully something that's rich in entertainment systems while still being reliable as far as like a Honda goes. So like I said, that was interesting to me because I'd never heard Honda and Sony were going to partner together to build a vehicle. And I could see maybe if it was a little cheaper to get people to want to buy, but you're talking, close to $100,000, and they're getting rid of a lot of the tax credits that people are used to getting with EVs. So I'm not really sure of this. I know that is the future of these EVs, so you're kind of seeing it. Like I said, when they discontinue the TLX, they're kind of going more economical route, getting rid of the 10 speeds, kind of using the CVT transmissions, something that's more economical. So that's kind of the direction they're going. Just not sure what to think about it. Like I said, a partnership between these two, and if I would spend $90,000 on a vehicle like this. So let me know in the comment section what your guys' thoughts are. Like, would you spend $90,000 for the very first year of a vehicle made by these two companies? Or do you think there's a lot of better options out there for almost $100,000? To me, it seems way too much money for something like this, especially since there's no evidence of how this will be, since this is the first time they work together. It seems like there could be a lot of glitches with all the technology they're going to be putting in them. But, time will tell. But like I said, you can order them later this year for next year. So you're going to start seeing these things on the road next year. I'm just not sure if I would spend that much money. So again, I wanted to bring that to your guys' attention. Maybe if you're in the EV market, that'll help you. There's a lot more choices coming out as well, and this would keep you in the Honda brand and just give you another option as well. So again, hope everyone's having a good day out there, staying safe. I appreciate it, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.